plugins. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, plugins, add new. I want you to search for VP admin. And now we're gonna install the plugin. Let's change your admin slug. Okay, here it is. Protect your admin. I'm gonna hit the install now button. And I'm gonna click activate. It's too cool. Okay, now I'm gonna scroll the way down and I'm gonna search for my plugin. My plugin is right over there. Protect VP admin. I'm gonna click on settings. And I'm gonna enter here my new slug. So your new admin URL. Now it's -admin, and that is gonna change to whatever you want. You can, for example, you can do Udemy. And I'm gonna hit save. And I'm gonna set this admin slug. Okay. Now I'm gonna click here to activate the new admin URL. And okay, now this is your admin URL, admin, Udemy, -admin. So when I go to /admin, it will not be found. So that's really useful. So hackers can't find your login page. So they can't log in your admin panel. And when I'm gonna go to -admin, nothing happens. So it's gone. It's now /Udemy. So I'm gonna enter my domain /Udemy, and it will be redirected to my login page. Okay, that's great. So this was it for this tutorial, and I will see you soon.